Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today for another Aliexpress haul. And yes, it's more stickers. I know I cannot get enough of Aliexpress stickers now. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gorgeous packs. They're £1.55 a pack. They are just delicious, so let me show you them. So this one is elegant and practical. They all called that, they are. So they don't have a name, I don't think. Nope, this is, if you go, I'll put a link in the description below, and then you have an option between all of these styles. So I don't know what they are called, the particular packs, but they're just numbered probably. So this is the first one. And so I ran up the stairs because I come to do a video, believe it or not, and then I realised I've got sausages in the oven for Charming's tea, and I thought, oh my goodness me, if I wait until I've done the video they'll probably be burnt. So I run down the stairs and then run back up. Oh, I didn't catch my breath. So right, okay, Charles, you are a monkey. So we have these gorgeous little TV frames, some gorgeous florals, and these are almost transparent, should we say. Is that the word I'm looking for? A little cuckoo clock, some frames. I think there's 2 excuse me, of everything. Some little chicken clock faces with a cockerel. Oh my goodness me, I'm so sorry. And that's the other cuckoo clock. Right, pack it in. More clock faces. Some lovely, just like adverts, I think they are. More florals. Like little clipboard things. Lovely scalloped flowers. Like this one. Organic tea. May your days be filled with happiness. A couple of frames. 2 lovely frames with flowers in, some flowered clock faces, which these are so pretty. Some little old gramophones. What are these ones? Just little labely bits. Some tickets. Another ticket there. There's 2 there. Cinema. Some pegs. A stopwatch. Or a compass, I should say. This one says, the gardens are supported in part through an endowment funded by the Atherton Family Foundation. Okay, that's just some script. Tickets, some ABCs, some little tags, postcards, more clipboards, little frames, more flowered images, some old receipts, and some more pictures. So as you can see, they are jam-packed with lots of goodies. So that is the first lot there, and we'll try and put these back. Okay, so that's the first one. Then we have this one here, which you can see on the back. These are super lovely. They all are actually. I'm so chuffed with all of them. Of £1, £1.55 a pack, you can't go wrong. So you have these dream catchers, butterflies, bird cages, more butterflies, the Mad Hatter rabbit, Mad Hatter, Alice in Wonderland rabbit, some more butterflies. Some lovely gorgeous birdies. Oops, they're stuck together. I'm going to leave them for a minute. There's the other rabbit, the other bird cage, butterfly, another bird, butterfly, bird cages, more butterflies. A lot of birds in this one, if you like your birds and your butterflies, or dragonflies. Oh, that one I have ripped it. Oh, we saved it. More butterflies, more birds, stamps, butterflies, birds. Butterflies are beautiful, aren't they? I'm not going to keep saying birds and butterflies, I'll just show you them. We'll have a silent review. Well, I'll say that, I keep saying bird, butterfly, bird, butterfly. I like that one. Oh, look at the two birdies, very vintage, those ones. What are these? Clocks and feathers, or oh, look at them rabbits. Oh, look, the rabbits are adorable. And then last one, small bird stamps and some little windows and some flowers and birds. Oops. And they have got stuck together, those two. So those are just gorgeous. I bet I'm not going to be able to get these back in the pack now. Oh, we might be lucky. There you go. I'm trying to keep them, excuse me, all tidy. Right. Get in there. We have one stuck. Oh, we have one stuck somewhere. That's it. Right. This one is a little bit different. So we have some little speech bubbles with music in. Scallops. Life is beautiful. No bad vibes. Some flowers. Oh, these are very pretty. Some lovely bows. Dream a little dream of me. Oh, that's cute. Don't stop believing. A bust. Seen that one. I think you're cute. What's this one say? Petite and proud. Miss you. Miss you. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, never give up. I like that one. Some lovely, more pretty bows. Good morning. These would be great for my scrapbooks. These are very cool. I like these. Actually, these would be adorable in my scrapbooking, I think. Oh, I like them. You are stronger than you think. Hold on to whatever keeps you happy. Some little cameras. You are stronger than you think. Camera, circles. And you've got closed. That's a good one. Cute teddy bears. More busts. Oops. I want to go back to believing a story. That's cute. Live your life and forget your age. That's funny. These will definitely have to go in my smash books, I think, which I'm starting to get out and use because they're gathering too much dust. Right. Oh. Right, okay, now this one here. Christmas exhibition. First of all, no. Second of all, no. Alphabet, numbers, script, circles, more circles, life lesson number, whatever, some script, a stamp, more alphabet, it's very cool, more numbers, keyboard, numbers, letters I should say, little recipe thing, celebrate life, magnificent, another fun alphabet. What's this one? I don't know, it's not in English I don't think. More numbers, months of the year, little typewriters, bingo cards, little squares which you could cut all these out individually, numbers. I like these numbers, are quite cool. Best day ever. This is a nice fun pack actually. More numbers. And another alphabet. I like that one. That is a lot of fun. I like them all actually. But these, as you can see, they're all a little bit different. So that's why I had to buy them all, because I wanted a bit of everything. Oh, right. I know, it's terrible. When I find a seller that has stickers, and they're good stickers, I have to go and buy them all. Right, we've got 3 more lots left. This one I have had before, but I'll quickly show you. It's very, very pretty, and it has really beautiful, beautiful flowers. I mean, look how many you get in here. I mean, these are beautiful, these flowers. Absolutely beautiful. Do this, absolutely love these flowers, and I've used them an awful lot because they kind of have a vintage look to them. So roses, but they've got like toadstools as well, and some different little things, some wildflowers. I love the roses, they're beautiful. In fact, I like all of them. But they have just stunning, stunning flowers. I mean, I've got a lot of flower stickers, but I think this pack has to be one of my absolute favourites. And you've got pine cones and lots of different colours here. More toadstools. I don't know what all of these flowers are. More roses, pine cones, some fern. More toadstools. These pine cones are cute. As you can see, you have a huge variety of flowers and toadstools in here. Oh, I'm throwing them everywhere. Right, okay, so those are the flowers. Right, 2 more left, everyone. These are amazing. I will put the link in the description box below so that you can purchase them if you want. These are a lot of fun. These ones here as well. I love these little girls dressed up as a clown. Very vintage. Little vintage labels. These are gorgeous. Very vintage, these ones. Man with a camera. But look at these. These are just beautiful. And you've got some old Art Nouveau kind of labels and older ones. But these are just, oh, I love them. Look at these. I like this one as well. Oh, look at this one, so pretty. That is just gorgeous. Oh, look, you've got little scissors. And, oh, look, for my wedding journal. If I ever get time to get on with it. There is just no time in the day at all. These are very vintage. I absolutely adore this pack. So I think out of these so far, I think this is one of my favorite packs. And even though I've been through these, I haven't been through them properly. So this is the first time with you guys. I did have a little look through when they arrived, but that was actually weeks ago, when I was doing the craft room. So I just didn't get round to doing the video for them. And I know that you like to see what bargains I find on Ali, and obviously if I find something good, I will share it with you. And these are definitely worth having. I like the stickers yesterday. or yesterday, or whatever day I did that video. It was yesterday or a couple of days, I can't even know. You know, these are brilliant to have in your stash. Now I think these are a lot of sort of labels, which I'm very into. Little doilies, ovals, little numbers, tags, more labels, circles. Yeah, these are mostly blank labels, I think, on this one, but these are very handy to have. Especially when you're doing collage work, or you just, you know, you have a page which is very busy, that you need a little section so that you can write something. Love that one. That's gorgeous. And there you have it. So that one, that is very, what am I saying? That one is just labels. So there, that's all of the stickers that I am buying now. I'm not buying any more, well, for now, until I see any more. But so that's today's lot of stickers. I will put a link in the description below. Just click on it and it will take you to them, and you can order whichever ones that you want. I think it was £1.55 and free postage, if I'm not mistaken, on that each pack. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.